Did you know that in Singapore, chewing gum is completely illegal? In 1992, Singapore shocked the world by banning all chewing gum. You cannot buy it, sell it, or even bring it into the country. But why such an extreme rule? Well, it all started with their brand new subway system. People kept sticking used gum on the train doors, causing them to malfunction. This created massive delays and cost the government millions of dollars in repairs, so they decided enough was enough. Now, customs officers at airports will confiscate any gum they find in your luggage. If you're caught selling gum, you could face fines of thousands of dollars. Here's the funny part, there's only one exception. You can get therapeutic gum, but only with a prescription from a dentist or doctor. Imagine asking your doctor for chewing gum medicine. This strict ban worked amazingly well. Today, Singapore is known as one of the cleanest cities in the entire world.